I've decided I don't like the angle of the deck to the house, and I've just realized it. So I'm going to... That's the cheat right there. Well, here's an interesting video now, tubers. Okay, tubers, we're trying to give this thing one last push. Hey, tubers, we're down to the last two boards up. Look out, Dusty. Dusty, come on, up, up. That one's this way. This one's this way. I got a pencil. I better get my hot. If you got a pencil, you better get hot. Get hot. Oh, I forgot my
see.
There you go. It's done. Throw a little dirt around places. Pick up the tools. Oh, I got one more cut I got to make in the back. Let me go find a chalk box. I'll be right back. Okay, we got to cut the back right now. So the first step is you measure your shortest board. Well, all right, I just did a quick trim cut on the front, and it looks right. It looks right now. See, it's not raggedy, it's straight across. Same with the front. I took off all these little bits and pieces that just didn't quite line up, but still left my overhang. And it's solid. This corner's reframed. And look how nice and straight all the lines are in the spacing. Almost a professional job. The only thing missing for making this job a professional job is nobody wrote me a check.